Hey, noticing slow streaming on your smart TV lately? Mm, yeah, constant loading and blurry playback can be really frustrating. The good news is, most slow streaming issues come from a few common causes you can fix quickly. In this video, I'll walk you through the best step-by-step solutions to speed things up. Let's jump right in. First, check your internet speed. Slow streaming usually means your connection isn't fast enough. For smooth HD streaming, make sure your connection is stable. If speeds look low, try moving your router closer to the TV. Next, uh, restart both your router and your smart TV. This clears temporary network and memory glitches. Turn them off, wait about 1 minute, then power everything back on and reconnect. All right, another big factor is Wi-Fi interference. Yeah, walls, distance, and other devices can weaken your signal. Move the router closer to the TV if possible, or switch to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for better performance. Okay, quick fix. Lower the streaming quality inside your app. Higher resolution needs more bandwidth. Switch from Ultra HD to HD or Auto and see if playback becomes smoother. If slow streaming continues, clear the app cache. Over time, cached data can slow things down. Go to Settings, then Apps, choose your streaming app, and select Clear Cache. Now check for updates. Outdated apps or TV firmware can definitely affect streaming speed. Install any available app updates, then update your smart TV system. And finally, for the best performance, try using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. Yeah, wired connections are usually faster and more stable. If your router is nearby, this one change can dramatically improve streaming, and that's it. These fixes should speed up streaming on your smart TV. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video. And yeah, subscribe for more quick tech fixes. See you in the next one.